Tammy Slaton's journey on 1000 LB Sisters has been one of the most dramatic transformations ever seen on reality television. Fans who have followed her from the very beginning remember the struggles with her weight, her health battles, and her emotional ups and downs as she tried to turn her life around. For years, Tammy was candid about feeling trapped in her own body, unable to live the life she wanted because of her size and the medical challenges it brought. Now, after major lifestyle changes, multiple surgeries, and consistent determination, Tammy has revealed that she didn't even recognize herself at first when she saw the dramatic results of her transformation. That moment of disbelief has become a central part of her new life story, sparking both admiration and inspiration among fans who have long rooted for her success. Tammy's candid admission came during a heartfelt moment where she reflected on her progress and looked back at the early days of her struggle. She explained that when she first looked into the mirror after losing so much weight, she couldn't believe it was actually her reflection staring back. Years of seeing herself in a much larger body had shaped her sense of identity, and the sudden change felt almost surreal. According to Tammy, it took time to adjust to the reality of her new appearance, and even simple things like walking past a store window or catching a glimpse of herself on camera made her pause in disbelief. For someone who once required constant oxygen support and faced life-threatening conditions, being able to stand tall, smile, and see a slimmer, healthier version of herself staring back was overwhelming in the best way possible. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have witnessed Tammy's health struggles in detail. There were moments when it looked like she might not survive, including her frightening hospitalization for carbon dioxide poisoning and pneumonia. Doctors warned her repeatedly that if she didn't make major changes, her life expectancy would be drastically cut short. It was these warnings, combined with her own desire to live a fuller life, that finally pushed Tammy to commit to a new lifestyle. After qualifying for bariatric surgery, she began the slow but steady process of transforming not just her body, but also her mindset. The surgery was only the beginning. Tammy had to change her eating habits, stick to a strict recovery plan, and rebuild her mobility. She shocked fans when she revealed she had shed hundreds of pounds, allowing her to breathe on her own without constant oxygen and even start walking greater distances without the help of a wheelchair. As these milestones kept coming, her physical appearance began changing at a rapid pace. The woman who once felt like her body was a prison suddenly found freedom in every step she took, but the drastic change also came with unexpected emotional adjustments. Tammy shared that when she saw old photos of herself, she was stunned by how different she looked. At times, she struggled to connect the old Tammy with the new one, almost as if they were two different people. She admitted that she didn't recognize herself at first, and the shift in identity has been both empowering and emotionally challenging. Psychologists often note that people who undergo extreme weight loss can experience a type of identity shock, where their brain still expects to see their old body in the mirror. Tammy's case fits that description perfectly, and she has been open about how surreal it feels to look completely different from the person she has known for most of her adult life. For fans, this honesty is one of the reasons she has remained such a relatable figure. She is not just celebrating the victories but also sharing the emotional and psychological adjustments that come with them. The support from her family, especially her sister Amy Slaton, has played a big role in helping her adjust. Amy, who also underwent bariatric surgery, understood what Tammy was going through and reminded her that the new version of herself was still authentically Tammy, just healthier and happier. Tammy has also leaned on her fans, who flood her social media with encouraging words and messages of pride. Many have pointed out that her transformation has inspired them to take steps toward their own health goals, proving that Tammy's story goes far beyond television drama and into real-life empowerment. Tammy's moment of not recognizing herself at first was more than just about looks. It represented a new chapter where she finally felt capable of achieving the things she had long dreamed of. Simple joys like shopping for clothes in regular stores, fitting comfortably in a car seat, or enjoying time outdoors without fear of exhaustion became part of her new reality. These are things many take for granted, but for Tammy, they were long-awaited milestones that confirmed she had truly changed her life. In interviews, She has shared that adjusting to her new appearance has also improved her confidence. Where she once avoided social outings because of fear of judgment, she now embraces public attention, often smiling for photos and engaging openly with fans. Her self-image, once weighed down by years of shame and criticism, has transformed alongside her physical body. Still, Tammy acknowledges that the journey isn't over. She continues to focus on her health, maintain her weight loss, and work on building a stronger, more active lifestyle. She knows that the hardest part isn't just losing weight but keeping it off in the long term, and she remains determined to stay on the right path. For her, the moment of not recognizing herself was both shocking and motivating, a reminder of how far she has come and how important it is to keep going. Social media has amplified her journey, with before and after comparisons going viral and sparking conversations about body image, health, and resilience. Some fans have expressed disbelief at how much she has changed, while others have applauded her for being living proof that transformation is possible no matter how dire the circumstances may seem. Tammy's story has even sparked broader discussions about weight loss surgery, mental health, and the role of support systems in achieving long-term change. Critics have sometimes accused reality TV of exploiting people's pain for entertainment, but Tammy's case shows how a public platform can also provide accountability, encouragement, and inspiration. By sharing her struggles and triumphs openly, she has given viewers a raw and unfiltered look at what it really takes to change a life. As Tammy continues her journey, the memory of that first shocking moment when she didn't recognize herself will likely remain a powerful symbol of her progress. It is a reminder of how identity, self-image, and health are deeply intertwined, and how true transformation goes beyond the physical. For Tammy Slaton, that mirror moment marked the start of seeing herself not just as a survivor, but as someone thriving in ways she never thought possible. Looking forward, Tammy has expressed hopes of continuing to enjoy her new life to the fullest. She wants to travel, spend more time with loved ones, and keep pushing herself to experience new adventures. Each day brings a new opportunity for her to step into the life she once thought was out of reach. And every time she looks in the mirror now, she sees not only her reflection but also the proof of her resilience and strength. For fans and supporters, Tammy's admission that she didn't recognize herself at first adds yet another emotional layer to her already inspiring journey. It is a reminder that change can be disorienting but ultimately empowering, and that sometimes the hardest part of transformation is believing in your own progress. Tammy Slaton is living proof that even when you can't recognize yourself, the world around you sees your strength, your determination, and your ability to rise above the odds. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.